Okay, I'm working on a 2009 Quest. I've already diagnosed the problem, but I'm going to show you the procedures that I use to figure out the issue. Turn the key on, scan the code, scan the car, and I got a code P0171 System 2 Lean Bank 1, P0174 System 2 Lean Bank 2. Now, those of you who understand cars know that if it's affecting both sides, that there's several possibilities of it being a very large vacuum leak or fuel pump. So let's go with that. And like I said, I already diagnosed it, so I'll just show you the procedure I used. So lean on both banks. This bank here's the codes. I don't know if you can read that or not. Let's see. Doesn't look like you can read codes too well. In here. There's your code. I use the smoke machine on this one, make it easy for myself. Try to find a vacuum leak. It's not that easy to find because where it's located. But I'll put a video showing where the leak is. It's the Quest 2009. I don't know if anyone's had this issue, but I'll give you a video to show you what your problem possibly could be. I don't really know how this melted like that. Excuse me, I'm in a real work environment, sweaty head and everything. Let's go back here. Let's take a look at this little fella right there. You see him? This is spewing. Let's see. Get a good video. You know I had it on there a minute ago. Let's see it. Okay, they got a big gash on the hose right there. It's melted. Mark. Yeah, this is horrible. Alright. And that's how you use your camera to diagnose a problem that you were having and you couldn't fix. Because one of those scopes costs like $100 some or more. Might as well turn your phone to a scope. Use the heat sleeve so you don't burn yourself to death. And see where the smoke is coming from. My phone helped me diagnose this. That's the first for me. Hope you like the video. Alright, White DC signing out.